Okay, good evening sa inyo lahat po ating mga basketball fans po ngayon. Ito po ngayon ang second game for tonight po between Gas versus QR Towers. 2 points kagad ang binati ko QR Towers po. QR Towers 2 points, that's number 7. Tunan kagad. Seven, 4-1. Ba? May Antegra to Velasco. Dukot sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound battle won by Pure Towers. Pops up. No good. One more time kay Velasco naman. Velasco to Bidzig. Antegra sa ilalim. Velasco. Bidzig. Easy 2. No good pa rin. One more time. 2 points. Bidzig. Sa atin. De Castro, number 3. Antegra, diretso na yan. Sabi nila, diretso Antegra. Nope. Paid away shot. It's 2 points again by number 7. Hindi ko mabasa. 8 minutes 38 remaining. First quarter action. Ruiz pops up. No good. Number 7 for the rebound. Velasco. Wala. Nawala kay Velasco ang bola. 6-0 pong score. Lamang na lamang po ang QR Towers. Ruiz. May tangan ng bola. Mr. Sila is watching. Danggabi si sir. Pops up. It's 2. Okay, 6 tong score. Sabido, nakabusdo. 6-2. Velasco. Bidzig. And now to Ong for 3. Nope, offline. 7 minutes 30 remaining first quarter action. 6 tong score natin. QR Towers naman po ng 4. Symbol of the foot from Bidzig. Grabe, lamig. 10 o'clock pa doon papatayin doon dito. Of the foot from Mr. Bidzig. Again now to Mr. 17. Ruiz. Malakas ang pasa. Bidzig, 17. Bidzig, foul called. Number 7 called for a foul. Side throw po tayo. Antegra for the inbound. Antegra to Bidzig. Nice check pa sana. Nice check ni number 741. 741? Again, guarded. Bidzig for nope. It's Ong for 3. No good. Antegra naka-rebound. Bidzig. 2 points, Bidzig. Bag shot made. Talan yata, di ba? Si Talan yata eh. Velasco. Velasco, binabantayan. And isa, Bidzig. 5 minutes is in. Palit-pair po tayo. Wala palit. Talan nga, talan. Okay, timeout called. Sorry. Sorry po, hindi ano. Bilis ang time hotel. Okay, nabalik muli po tayo sa laro nito. 10-2 po score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ang team QR Towers. Pops up. It's out. Bidzig naka-rebound. Bidzig to Ong. 2 points Ong. The score is 12-2 po tayo. 12-2. Si Ruiz. May tahan ng bola. Okay, pumasok na. Si Genovia, pumasok muna para kay 741. Genova to Ruiz. Sabido. No good. One more time. Kapos. Nice rebound by number 24. Ong. May tan ball si Ong. Bidzig. Traffic. Ruiz. Sabido. 2 points Sabido. Running shot is good. 12-4 po score po natin. 3 minutes 48 remaining. 24, pass to Ong. Ong for 3. Nope. Sabido. Ruiz. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa. Lost the ball. Again, same ball. Pinasa ka 24 for 2. Nope. Easy ball po. Pinakuha rin number ng gas ng General Aviation Services po tayo yun. Number De Castro. 2 shots awarded para kay De Castro. Pumunta sa First shot ni Castro, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw ni Castro, jumpers ready po tayo. The score is 12-4 at 2 minutes 25 remaining. No good. And rebound battle won by Ong. Si Ong nagmamadali. Ong. Pops up. 2 points. Number 10. 2 points. The Green Boys now, lamang po ng 10, 14-4 at 2 minutes 5 remaining. 7 for the inbound. Ruiz lost the ball. Ong, 2 points Ong. Easy to by Ong. And timeout called by Team GAS or General Aviation Services. Troy Longtong is watching also. Si Aris Sila, si Boss Aris, nanonood din. A minute and 45 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Game. Ito na. Foul called. Foul number 10. Number 10 called for the foul. Hindi ko mabasa yun, no? Ruiz. Lost the ball almost. Number 24 rebound. Kick pass kay Bidzig. And not to Bidzig. Bidzig, 2 points. Bidzig, 2 points po tayo. It's in. 18-4 pong score po natin. Yan, dumating na rin yung mga team GAS. Pops up, no good. Number 24 naka-rebound. 24 naka-rebound tayo. Malamang second quarter ng mga yan. And now to Ong. Running shot, it's good. Foul! Number 5, Ruiz. Genovia. Malakas ang pasa. 24 na score pass, 30 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. Ong. Wrong pass almost to Bidzig. Good ball and whose ball rep? 7-second shot clock. Same ball pala ang ginawa. 3 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds game clock. And now, number 15 beat the buzzer. And that's it. First quarter's history. The score is 22-4. And an 18-point lead advantage being posted by QR Towers. QR Towers coming from fresh from the win last week. Sino na maging number 8? Ano po sa 7? Ano po? Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. Again, na bola po ng team, of course, Team GAS or General Aviation Services. General Aviation Services po.
Blue. Bola nyo.
Kuya. To Tabile. Tabile for 3. No. Okay, green ball. Green ball tayo po ngayon. Green ball po tayo. Green ball na si Bedzig. Nagmamadali si Bedzig. Bedzig is Kuya. Swiped away by Kuya. Foul. Nice deed by Kuya. Galing ng time ng kanyang mga kamay. Troy Lomtong is watching also. And now to Mr. number 24, Ed Nakwa, still completed. Now to Tabile. Tabile on the run. Tabile, nag-stop muna. Forbes ba? Hindi si Forbes yun. Falsis yata yun. Okay, number 91. Kuya. Malakas ang pasa. Velasco! Malakas! Up! Red ball or gas ball. Now, ito po tayo yun. Tabile. Malakas ang pasa kay Falsis. Yan si Falsis. 8 minutes 33 remaining. 22-4 pong score. Malakas. Up si Daisy. Blue ball. Gas ball, binigyan ni Kuya. Nakikuya niya yung bola. Kay Kuya, 8 minutes 4 remaining. Kay Kuya. Now to Tabile. Kuya, creating space. Wala. Doon ko sila, wala pa rin. Nakuha niya number 24 ang bola. 24. Driving. 24. Side step po by Velasco. Pasok. Tabile. Nawala ang bola kay Tabile. Balik muli po sa QR Towers ang bola. And now to Galliano. Gavan. Gavano. And to Bedzig. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Talan. No good din. And now, palakas ang pasa pa rin. Falsis, malakas ang pasa. Papunta kay Tabile. Ouch. Now, Bedzig. Mukhang medyo nagkaroon ng konting twist yung kanyang ankle. Papasok muna. Sab muna. Para sa QR Towers. Okay, balik muli tayo ngayon. Velasco. Binababa ang bola para kay Bedzig. Pinilit mo si number 15. Okay, now kay Tabile. Tabile. Kay Kuya, no good. Nandun si number 12. Talan driving strong. Lost the ball. Balik muli po sa gas ang bola. General Aviation Services po. Falsis. Lost the ball. Pops up. Nope. Game ball. Ay, same ball. Game ball. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball tayo. Same ball. Same ball. Eh na si number 17 pero may sumabit kay number 17. Number 17 shooting for 2. Hindi naglaro si Gosu, mga busy o ba nakabakasyon. No good. First shot is no good. 24. 20 lead point lead pong kalamangan po ng Team QR Towers. Sabino. Second shot. Both baskets never made. Nakakuha ni 24 ng QR Towers. Talan. Uy! And good ball, good ball, good ball. Good ball kay Velasco. Velasco. Number 15 pops up, no good. Rebound battle 1 and good ball, good ball. Good ball now to Sabido. Sabido kay Tabile. Pinasa pa kay Sabido. Kay Falses, Falses. Falses. 2 points. Okay, pasok 5 muna ngayon. Okay, fresh legs for both teams. Ong pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Ong. Okay, ito na muli po yan si Genovia. Pinasa muna kay Genovia ang bola. Siya nagbababa. Siya nagbababa ngayon. Yan. Stepping on the line called para kay number 2 kay Pabilan. Wong for 3. Nope, malakas. Stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa gas ang bola. Pabilan. Pabilani rather. Pabilani. Genovia. Driving strong. 2 points. That's number 3, De Castro. Pabilan, binaban si Velasco. Foul. Holding foul kay Pabilani. Ong, binabantayan. Oh, lifting violation. Lifting violation called on Ong. 26-8, labang po ng 12 na lang ang ito, 12 yan. No good. Labang din na bigla yan. Ong! Hindi ako malakas. Pabilani. Foul. 26-8 po ang score. That's 18-point lead. Malakas ang pasa. That's 18-point lead po para sa Team QR Towers. Velasco. Velasco for the inbound. Okay, ito na kay number 10. Ong fadeaway shot. Tapos nando may malakas nga lang pasa. Malakas ang tira. And now malim and nakuha Nakumuli pa ng pure touch pang bola kay Talan. Talan for long 2. No good. Rebound by Kuya. Kuya kick. Pasa kay Pabilani. Pabilani side step move. Kapos. And now kay number 10. Kay Ong. Set shot. No good. Kuya naman. Palpal. Nice block by Talan. Ong, side step move. 2 points. Timeout. Timeout, Gas. Number 10, 2 points. The score is 28-8. Lamang muli ng 20 ang Team QR Towers. Blue ball. Gas ball. Genovia for the inbound. Gas ball. Gas ball. Okay. Number 2. Pabilani. Kuya. Pops up. Nope. Kuya again for the rebound. Wrong tap. Wrong tap sa kanyang sarili. A minute and 19 seconds for the second quarter action. Velasco. Lost the ball kay De Castro. Napali De Castro. De Castro. 2 points. Sana. Pero merong free throws po yan sa linya kay De Castro. De Castro. Shooting for 2. De Castro shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready tayo. Nagtatao-tao na po ang Team Gas. Lost the ball. Nando si Talan. Recover the ball. De Castro. Malakas. Holding foul kay De Castro. Over Talan. Shooting for 2. Talan shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 49 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. 49 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Talan pops up. It's out. De Castro naka-rebound. De Castro nagbababa. Binigay kay Genovia. Pabilani. De Castro. Malakas ang pasa. 30 seconds remaining. Velasco. Kay Yap. Number 10. Kay Yap, hindi nakuling ang bola. Balik muli po sa Gas ang bola. And now kay Genovia, 12 seconds remaining. Kuya. Pabilani. 2 points Pabilani. That's it. The score is 29-11. Lamang po ng 18 ang Team QR Towers. After 2 quarters po. Ito barak na. Nawin ito sa iyak. Nako, tumataas na. 31.19. 31.19. 31. High of 31. Low of 19. Bukas. Halftime po tayo. Ano mo tayo? Baka muna. Okay, you're watching now the final game now for the day between QR Towers and General Aviation Services. And this game is brought to you by the following sponsors. Of course, Team LBC Haring Padala and Thread the Needles. And of course, ito po ang third season po natin ngayon, Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. Okay, third quarter start. Who's ball rep? Green ball.
Green ball.
Depensa po ang gas.
Sir, green.
Gas, defense, offense po ang towers. Okay, Antegra. Sa pula po sir, sa pula. Sa pula sir.
Orderly.
Antegra for the inbound to Velasco. Oh, Ong for 3. Kapos. Velasco, Antegra, hoop shot. No, it's Talan. Talan 2 points. Palsis. Pabilani po ang posisyon. Nakuha ng bola kay Pabilani. Palsis for 3. Ayaw muna niya. Okay, now Ayun. No good. Again, Ong on the charge. Ong, they need the charge. Velasco. Number 7, Ong for 3. Kapos. Foul. Pushing foul. Number 10, QR Towers. Tabile. Binababa ang bola. Pabilani. Falses. Number 94. Ayun, nice play. Naku, hindi lang executed. Velasco. 24. Malakas ang pasa kay number 10. Balik muli po sa gas ang bola at 8 minutes 29 remaining. I think si Bidzik umuwi na rin dahil nagkaroon siya ng injury sa kanyang ankle. Pabilani to Falses to Pabilani to Falses. Pabilani again for 3. Nope. Kick pass now kay Antegra number 50. 2 points Antegra, 2 points. The score is 33-11. Lamang po ng 22 ang Towers. Falses. Tabile. Almost had the leather yan. Tabile. Difficult shot. Nakuha ni Talan. No good. Tabile shooting for 2. Talan called for a foul. Tabile, 2 tira. 2 tira para kay Mr. Tabile. Tabile, 2 shots given. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. It's same ball. Green ball. Green ball po tayo, green ball. Ong. Velasco sa ilalim. Kick out kay Ong. Number 24. Traveling violation. Nakuha ang tapak si Yapak. Naunang tapak sa yapak, Falsis. Tabile. Lost the ball kay Ong. Kumuha na Ong. Nakuha naman ni number 17. Number 17. Ayun kay Falsis. Falsis, binomba ang bola. Pasok. 33-13. Laban po ng 20 na lang ang team QR Towers. Malaki-laki pa rin yan. Pero let's see kung maglarally po ang Gas. Velasco nakawala. Velasco. Disho basket. No good. Number 24. Wala pa rin. Falsis. Rebound barrel. Won by Pabilani. Nope. It's Falsis. Sabido for 2. Nope. Falsis. Kapos. And nakuha ni Tala ng bola. Number 24. Number 24. 7. Si Ong for 3. No good. One more time. Wala pa rin. Falsis. From number 91. Falsis. 2 points. Tabile. Valencia. Si number 91. Pinasa kay Falsis kanina bola. And now kay Velasco. 33-15. 18 na po kalamangan. Ong sa ilalim. N1 play pa. Sama pa ng N1 play. N1 play si Ong. Ong, first shot. Nope. Rebound. Nakuha. Pero nakuha din. Tabile. Secure the ball. Tabile. Offensive foul. Binalikat. Tabile, offensive foul. Kitang-kita yon. Nabalikat niya. 5 minutes 10 remaining. Third quarter action. 24. Binabantay ni Kuya. Ong, minamadire. Naitawid na ang bola. Ong na naman. Ong, teka lang po. Sabi ni referee. Lifting violation again. Called on Ong. Magdobit-bitin. Falsis. Tabile. Umatake. Kay Kuya. Kuya, power move. Foul. Foul kay Talan. Kuya, shooting for 2 for sure. Talan, shooting for 2. Lopez down. Okay. Falsis for the inbound. Falsis for the inbound. To Kuya. Nope. Naghanap mapapasahan. To Kuya nga. Kuya confirmed. Kuya for 3. Nope, it's short. Falsis naka-rebound. Nice rebound by Falsis. Tabile, mataas ang pass kay galing kay Falsis. 40 minutes. 4 minutes, 26 remaining. Third quarter action. Ong. Talan, may tawid. Ayun, naiwan mag-isa. 2 points, number 50. Tabile. Tabile nakalusot. Tabile. Sabido, pasok ang bola kay Sabido. Again, lamang na muli ng 20. 37-17. 24, binababa ang bola. Still completed. Counter steal again by Talan. And it's outside. Out of bounds. And timeout called by GAS or General Aviation Services. Bumili ng vitamins o babati. Okay, 3 minutes 39 remaining, 37-17. Bola po ng GAS. Paul Marco versus watching Si Jerbs Arnado is watching also. Okay, balik muli po tayo ngayon. Si Ruiz, nandiyan na muli po. Ang kanilang lefty. Luis the lefty, nandiyan po sila. Cake pass kay Kuya. Again, kay Ruiz na naman. Ruiz. No, muntik na. And now it's Pabilani. Talan, nakakupo ng rebound kay Mr. Yap. Napunta kay Mr. Velasco. Foul called. Kuya called for a foul. Okay, Eid Mubarak po ha. Bukas po is holiday po. First day of Eid po bukas. At isang wishing po a very peaceful Eid po sa ating lahat. Lalo po sa ating kapatid natin mga Muslim po dyan na nagdidiyon po ng Eid Mubarak po bukas. Have a peaceful and joyful Eid po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po. And now to Mr. Tabile, kapos ang bola kay Tabile. One more time, almost foul again. Naku! Anspo foul called on Tabile. Anspo foul called on Tabile. Velasco shooting for 2 plus ball possession, team QR Towers. Velasco, first shot. Labas po lahat po ang player pa sa beyond the arc. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Velasco, second shot. It's in. Plus ball possession for QR Towers. Talan for 3. Malakas. Balik po sa gas ang bola. 40-17. Laman po ng 23 ang QR Towers. Genovia. Ruiz. Ayun, ang galing. Pabilani, no good. Sayang. Nice rebound by Ong. By Mr. Yap. Number 10 against Genovia. 2 points Genovia. 2 points number 10 over Genovia. Ruiz thinking 3. Nope, ayaw muna niya. Ruiz. Pabilani driving strong. No good. Rebound battle won by, of course, by QR Towers. Pero number 2 called for a foul. That's Yap. Pabilani pala. Oy! Stepping on the line. Correction po ha. Number 2 called for a holding foul. Kaya napunta sa Towers po, QR Towers po ang bola. Pero na-stepping on the line si Yap sa kanyang drive. Kaya balik muli po sa gas ang bola. De Castro. Difficult shot. Sabido. For 3. Nope. Rebound by Pabilani. 2. Naku, nilabas pa. Again, still. Wala. And out of bounds. Same ball. Di makuha yung bounce ng gas. Gas cannot get the bounce of the line. Nasa bounce po sa... Okay. Nice shot by De Castro. Ong, binababa ang bola, nagmamadali. Ong, hinahadlangan nila Talan to Ong. No good. Rebound di Kuya. Genovia naman, binababa ang bola kay Genovia. Pabilani, no good. Rebound battle won by Genovia kumuha ng pick. Genovia driving strong. And one play made. Genovia, 2 points plus bonus free throw. 42-21, labang po ng 21. And plus bonus free throw. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Yap rather. Nakuha ni number 10. Nakuha naman ni Sabido. Sabido, binababa ang bola. Sabido kay Kuya. Pabilani. Nakalusot. Pabilani. Palpal. One more time. No more. The score right now is 42-21. Lamang na lamang po ang Team QR Towers. Standby po tayo po sa last quarter of the ball game. Sakit. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter action start. Hello, kids. Kids, nabilayo muna kayo rito. Layo muna kayo. Naglalaro mga papa nyo. Fourth quarter start. Okay, Caspo. Sabido will go for an inbound. Teo De Castro, 42-21. Sabido driving strong, floater shot, no good. Rebound battle won by Sabido, malakas. Wala pa rin. De Castro, palpal. Nice block by Talan. No good. Ong, kick pass kay Ong. Tabile. 2 points. 2 points para kay Ong over Tabile. 44-21, laman po ng 22 points ang QR Towers. Falses. Tabile. De Castro for 3. Kapos. Falses. 2 points kay Falses. Medyo Ong. Nagtataw-taw. Foul called by De Castro to De Castro. Foul called on De Castro. Ong. Okay. Velasco para sa inbound. QR Towers po yan. Laman po ng 21 naman ang Team QR Towers. Bidzig. It's back. It's strong. Castro. Nakuha ni Velasco almost. Pero let go na lang yan. Same ball pa rin tayo. Sabi nila. Same ball mo tayo. Same ball po tayo. And now lost the ball. Velasco. Ong. Easy 2. 44, 46, 23. A 23-point lead again. Been posted. Block. Bidzig. Kick pass. Okay. Nice save sana. Falses. Nakalusot. Foul on Bidzig. Bidzig called for a foul. Handball din yata itong isa. Pabile, Kuya, Palpali, Bidzig. Number 91, no good. Kuya still. 91, power move. Trap. Anong tawag doon? Offensive pa. Traveling violation rule, sorry. Traveling violation called. Naipit ang konti. Kung number 24. Teka lang po. Again, the traveling violation called again. Tabile, Kuya. Nako, wala pa rin lucky bounce. One more time. Palpal. Number 91 shooting for 2. Valencia 91 shooting for 2. Ay, sorry. Natubang yung tripod. Sorry. 91 shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Sana. Second shot. It's not in. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second throw. Pops up. That's in. Okay. 46-24. 22 points yan. Okay, nagtatao-tao na po sila ngayon. Velasco, iniipit po ng konti. Napot kay Talampara. Now, dapat ang Velasco ang bola. Okay, now. And kay Ong. No good. Touch last by number 91. Ang bola. Number 91, touch last. 7 minutes 8 remaining. 46-24 ang score. Bidzic for the inbound. Velasco. Binabatayan ni Palses. Ong, kumuha ng pick. Velasco, no good. Rebound by number 24. Palpal. Ouch. That's hurt. Number 24 shooting for 2. 24 shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready para kay number 24. It's out. Foul says, foul called. Foul on number 24. Side throw po tayo. Kamukha ni equalizer. Sabido, Tabile, 6 minutes 45 remaining. Kuya, set shot, no good. One more time, nope. It's Talan, binababa ang bola. Kapos. Tabile. Walang tumanggap ng bola kay Gani Tabile. Again. Velasco. Hoy, traveling violation. Traveling violation called. Naunang tapak si Yapak. Okay, ito po tayo. Ayun! Kapos. One more time. 2 points, number 91. 91, 2 points. Walang pinasahan. Okay, balik muli po sa intro. Five minutes 55 remaining. 46-26. 46-26. Dito daw sa referee. Referee says here. And Kuya to Mr. Tabile. Okay. Tabile, kumuhumingi ng pick. Its pick is given. It's good. Sabido. Falses. No good. Rebound by number 91. And one play pa ang ginawa number 91. Number 91. Living. Number 91, rebound. Leaving the same person once before the number 91. It's in. 3-point play completed. And timeout called by QR Towers. The score is 46-29. A 17-point lead na lang been posted by QR Towers. At 5 minutes 30. Kaya pa yan. Basta mag-necessary stop lang ang Giangas over QR Towers. Okay, back to the ball game. Green ball against still Again, still, Gas now will go now to man-to-man defense. Bidzig against Kuya. Ong. Traffic. Number 24. 24 driving. Lost the ball. Kick ball. Velasco. No, Tabile. Tabile. 2 points Tabile. Again, tao-tao na naman din sila. Tao-tao na naman. Tao-tao sila. Tao-tao sila. Tao-tao sila. Chill lang guys. It's chill. It's just a game. Offensive foul. It's just a game. Chill guys. Okay, Tabile. Okay, Paris is thinking 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Again, Ong. Binabantayan. Ong. 2-on-1. Ong. No good. Again, one more time kay Ong. Wala pa rin. Falses sa rebound. Tabile. No good. Again, Falses. What offensive putback. 46-33. 46-33. Lamang na 13. Velasco against Kuya. Velasco. Good ball. Velasco now to number 24. Bidzig for 3. No good. Rebound up. Holding foul called on Talan. There's a rally now being made by Gas. Nag-slide rally na po sila. The rally is on for Gas. Tabile to Falses. Falses to Tabile. Tabile driving strong. Kuya, nakalusot. Kuya, 2 points Kuya. 46-35. Lamang na 11. Bidzig, double teamed. Bidzig, kick, pass kay Ong. Nakalusot. Ong for 2. Kapos. Substitution muna po. Pagod natin dalawang player sa loob. Okay, sino po yon? Si Yap, papasok muna para kay number 24. Falses, chance again to trim down the lead further to 9 points. Gas now, chance again to trim down the lead further. Tabile, malakas, sliding. No bounce. Nakuha. Pabilani. Wala pa rin. Talan. Kick pass. Ayun, natira mag-isa. Ong! 2 points, Ong. Okay, na-recover nila. And timeout called by Gas. 3 minutes 31 remaining. Ong saving the day for QR Towers. Okay, 3 minutes 31 remaining. Sabido! Oy! Tabile driving strong again. Tabile. Pabilani. Oy! Traveling violation called. Traveling violation called by the referee. Again. Velasco, binabantayan. Foul! Pabilani. Foul on Pabilani. Number 2. Velasco still, binabantayan. Malayo. Ong, nakawala. Falses against Ong. Offline. Yap, malakas. Falses, rebound. Foul on Talan. Penalty situation. Falses shooting for 2. Chance again to trim the lead again into 11 points. Pops up. Kapos. Okay, just to trim down the lead to 12 points. 3 minutes, 1 remaining. Falses. Pops up. It's out. Rebound won by number 17. Foul! Take two. Take two. 17 again. 2 shots. It's out. Didn't go the bounce. Second shot, jumper's ready. Second free throw, jumper's ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Velasco. Velasco double team. Good ball. Pabilani save the ball. Francis Bidzig intercepted. Pass is too powerful for Mr. Yap. 2 minutes 33 remaining. 48-35 ang score po natin. 48-35 ang score. Tabile, driving strong. Tabile, floater shot, no good. Rebound ni Yap. Foul. Nice rebound by Mr. Yap. Okay, balik tayo. Velasco muna for the inbound. 2 minutes 20 remaining. 2 minutes 20 remaining. Bidzig being guarded by Tabile. Falses intercepted. Falses. Malakas. Bidzig, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Ong, 2 points, Ong. 50-35. 15, Pabilani. Tabile. Malakas. Talan, called foul by Kuya. 1 minute 39 remaining. Substitution. Okay. Eto na. Ong for 3. Kapos. Ayan na. Kuya, number 91. 2 points, number 91. 13. Bidzig. Velasco. Intercepted by number 91. Pabilani for 3. No good. Rebound by Yap. Yap for the rebound. Ong, 1 minute remaining. Foul. Fouls 19 called for the foul. Side take 2. Inbound. Ong para sa inbound. Yap pumoposisyon. Talaan for 3. Malakas. What a hustle. Traveling violation nga lang. 50 seconds remaining. Falses. Foul. 2 free throw. Falses 2, shooting for 2. 43 seconds remaining. Falses. 2 free throws. First shot. It's out. 43 seconds remaining. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Kapos. And nakuha ni number 91 ng bola. 91, Falses. Falses. Kuya, malakas. Falses. 2 points, Falses. Timeout. Called by QR Towers. The score is 50-39. 32 seconds remaining. Back to the ball game. 32 na lang yun. 32 seconds remaining. Ong. Binato. Velasco. Bidzig. Intercepted again. Falses for 3. Bang! 8. 8. 21 seconds remaining. 8. Foul! Take 2. 50-42. Maybe too little, too late na para sa gas na sila nag-rally. Ong. First shot. It's out. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 19 seconds remaining. Second throw. It's in. Siyam. Falses. Pabilani. No good. Okay, that's it. I believe so. 11 seconds remaining. Two shots para kay Velasco. I think they concede now. Gas is already conceded. First shot, Velasco. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Velasco. Second throw, jumper siya para kay Velasco. Pops up. Kapos. Nakuha pa. Okay, that's it. 6 seconds remaining. 6 seconds remaining. Again, same shooter. Velasco. First shot. Nope. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. 6 seconds. Okay, 50-42-44. Congratulations, QR Towers, for winning the game. And welcome to the quarterfinals. Okay, QR Towers cementing its place now in the quarterfinals. Ika nga, hindi na sinemento, binuhos pa.
Let's go, let's go.
Guys, group photo please, group photo. Congratulations, congratulations. Galbao. Pakibalance lang po, sir, pakibalance lang. Thank you. Okay, that's 52-44. Winner by 8 points, QR Towers. Wag pong iyan yung score. Thank you.
It's good. That's one.
Okay, QR Towers, winner by 8 points.
Alright.
And welcome to the quarterfinals.
Clear with me.
Okay, POG, sir. Okay, sino ba POG? POG of the game.
Daddy,
POG po, sino ba POG?
Daddy, let's do some basketball.
Ong, POG. Okay, si Ong po ang POG po ngayon. POG, Ong.
1, 2,
Okay, Mr. Ong, tara sa background ng team nyo. Okay, Mr. Ong, congratulations, sir, Mr. Ong, for winning the game. And also, of course, welcome to the quarterfinals.
Oh, pasok kami sa quarterfinal.
Ngayon, sir, paano pa yung paghahanda po yung mga kalaban? For sure, number ano yun? Higher level po sila. Ano po maano po natin sila?
Tatalunin namin lahat yun, sir.
Okay, it's good, okay. Okay, anything else, sir?
Oo, yung secret lang. Dati, may dami namin talo, pero ngayon, bumabawi na kami. Teamwork lang.
Teamwork yung talaga. Okay, now. Okay, I will not take your time anymore. Okay, you can greet now one minute for your friends, loved ones, and everybody, sir. Sige po.
Shoutout sa girlfriend ko, si Jodessa May.
Okay.
Hindi siya nanonood. Ito nga pala.
Okay.
Mga team ko.
Okay.
Panalo sila.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, congratulations again, QR Towers.
Sila, sir.
Yan,
Ayan.
si Gino. Okay. Okay, again po, this is now QR Towers for winning the game. And, of course, tuning on next week po is talaglagang portion na po ng third season. Third season na po ng Aviation Training Dabas sa Flying League. Thank you. 3, 2, 1, it's a wrap.